What is up, people? Welcome to my channel. My name is Itunu Pepper if you're seeing me for the very first time, and if you're returning, welcome back. Yeah. In today's video, I'll be testing out a rice water experiment. It was a video I saw by Mercy Gono. I hope I'm not butchering her name. And she did a rice water treatment. There's like a gazillion rice water videos out there, a gazillion rice water recipes. I've tried a couple here and there, and I don't know if I saw results, to be honest. I decided to try out her method and to see if I would get the same results as she did. She seemed to have gotten like probably over an inch in 2 months. No, what am I saying? An inch in 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. And I was just like, is this even possible? I believe she co-washed her hair and then did the rice water treatment, kept it in for a couple of hours or so, and then rinsed it off, and then put her hair in a protective style. So after 2 weeks, she showed her result. Is this going to work on my hair? So yeah, that's why I'm here to do the experiment for you guys, and I'll show you guys the results that I got. So I actually washed my hair like proper. I don't co-wash because I'm just like, I don't know. It just doesn't work for me. If I need to wash my hair, I need to wash my hair. Yeah. So that's what I did. I went ahead to wash my hair. I deep conditioned. Then I applied the rice water. Then left it in for like maybe 2 hours. And then I washed it out and then put my hair in a protective style. My hair is actually, I've had this style in for 2 weeks and a day. Yesterday was exactly 2 weeks. So I was supposed to film this video yesterday, but for whatever reason, like I just got so busy, did a lot of other stuff apart from filming this video. So I decided to come on here and show you guys my results before it gets too late. So yeah, I will show you guys exactly the process of that I took. I didn't film my making the rice water. If you guys want to see her process of making her own rice water, you can check out the video, and I'll leave the link in the description bar below. If you guys want to see her recipe, I actually will just probably show you in this video, or I'll leave the link for you down below so you guys can see how she did her own. But yeah, I'll come right back to show you the results. Okay, so I know you guys would be very interested to know how the rice water was made. So this is a clip from Mercy Gono's procedure. So she washed the rice first with water, and then once the rice was clean, she put it in a jar, filled it up with water, cut off some orange peels just to make the smell a bit better, and that's pretty much it. And she left it for 24 hours. Yeah, so that's it. And here is my hair. I just took down my cornrows, and yeah, as you guys can see, I have some issues with my edges. It is hereditary, so there's really not much I can do about it. But yeah, such is life. Yeah, it's on the two sides as well. But I'll be trying a couple of things to make this better, and if it does work, then I will definitely share it with you guys. Here I'm just showing you the length of my hair. So from the back, it's around armpit length, and from the front it ends right about at my chin. So yeah guys, let's jump right into this. So first of all, what she did was she sectioned off her hair, and I'm working on damp hair, so it's easier for me to manipulate my hair when it's damp. So, and you probably should do that too because it's actually safer, but yeah. So I'm just going to lightly finger detangle and section my hair off. As you guys can see, her hair is much longer than mine, so I have to actually tuck in my twists so they can stay in place. But yeah. Like I said before, I'm not really a fan of co-washing. So I'm going to actually properly wash my hair, and as you guys can see, I use a black soap to wash my hair. Yes, I've been doing this for like, I believe a month now, and it is so good. If you guys want me to do a separate video on my review of washing my hair with black soap, yeah, I could totally do that for you guys, but it's so good. It's so moisturizing. And I used to actually feel like my hair will be stripped off if I use black soap, but to my actual surprise, it's the opposite. But yeah, if you guys want an in-depth video of how I wash my hair with black soap, definitely let me know in the comment section below. It's so much cheaper than getting shampoo, and it's so much more effective. It lasts so much longer. But yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know. So yeah, I went ahead to wash every single section like this. So I washed each section with the black soap. So right here, my hair is all nice and washed, and yes, I'm just trying to dry my hair out, just to get rid of the excess water. But yeah, I'm not really sure what I'm doing here, but yeah, don't judge me. I'm sure all of you guys do this at home, so let's not act like you don't, okay? Yeah, so next up is the rice water. So I'm going right in to just spray this all over each section. She sprayed it onto her hair as well as her scalp. So that's exactly what I will be doing here, but I will be concentrating the rice water on my scalp because that's just what makes logical sense to me. Because if something is going to make your hair grow, it should be from the root, right? Right. So as much as I'm putting it on my hair, I'm going to also put it on my scalp. And I really used a generous amount of this rice water because I was just like, I need to get the optimum benefits of this thing, okay? So I spent extra time massaging it into my scalp, massaging it into my hair, putting it on my ends, like the whole shebang, okay? So being the extra person that I am, I'm going back in again with the rice water just in case, you know. But yeah, her own first step was to section her hair and use the rice water. But because my hair is actually nastily dirty right now, I just had to wash it, okay? So next up is the conditioner, the deep conditioner. And I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Flaxseed Recipe Leave-In Conditioner. And Mercy is using her co-wash. And like I said, I don't like to co-wash, so I'm going to use a deep conditioner in place of her own co-wash shampoo, whatever you want to call it, like co-wash. What do you call it? Co-wash conditioner? What do you call it? Anyway, whatever. I'm going to be using my deep conditioner on my hair, and I'm going to concentrate this on my ends, always on the ends. You guys would notice that I hardly put any deep conditioner on my scalp or on my roots, because my roots normally are very moisturized because they get the most sebum from my scalp. So the parts of my hair that really need the extra moisture and the extra protection is actually the ends of the hair. So the further away your hair is from the scalp, the more moisture you need to put into the hair. I hope this makes sense. So once again, I'm just lightly finger detangling. As you guys can see, there's at no point did I use a comb. I think she used a comb in her own video, I think when she was putting in the conditioner, but I'm just like, I don't really like using a comb on my hair. I only use it when like I really feel like I need to comb my hair, but that's really hardly ever. But here, I'm all done putting in the deep conditioner. and I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap, as you guys will see. As you can see, there's hardly any deep conditioner on my scalp because it's just concentrated on my ends. And once again, being extra, putting more rice water in my hair. Like nothing is meant to go to waste, okay? So going in with my Nigerian ass plastic bag and putting this over my hair. I can't remember how long she left hers in, but I think I left mine for like an hour or two because I was busy doing some stuff like cooking and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna take the time to let the product sit in my hair. And yeah, later on I actually went in with some heat. Guys, I'm not even following the whole procedure properly. I actually went in with some heat at the end before I actually took off the plastic bag. For like 15 minutes, I used a blow dryer over the plastic bag because I'm just like, I cannot put this much deep conditioner in my hair and not have it to do the job, because I never enjoy deep conditioning my hair without using heat. So after waiting 2 hours, I actually went in for 15 minutes with heat to make sure that my hair was actually conditioned. So here I'm just taking out the twists so that I can rinse off the deep conditioner. So at this point, I've completely rinsed off my hair and rinsed off the deep conditioner and the rice water, and this is what my hair is looking like. As you guys can see, these are my edges that really need the help of the Lord God Almighty. Pray for me that God will reveal to me what's going to cure my edges, okay? So that I can share with you guys. So yeah, this is my hair rinsed off. So I couldn't film putting my hair in the protective style because I was actually tired at this point, and I think I did it the next day. I can't remember. I didn't film my actual putting it in flat twist, but if you guys want a tutorial on how I do my flat twist, definitely let me know, and I'll definitely do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my 2 weeks post rice water treatment results. Okay, so this is 2 weeks and a day of the rice water, and this is how much growth I have. Yeah, so that's pretty much all new growth. And yeah, I would definitely say I didn't get as much new growth as she did, but I definitely did get quite a bit of new growth. I did flat twists at the front, and then I did twists at the back. So it's really clear from the twists. You can see from the flat twist, you can see that I have definitely grown. I don't know how much it is. Is it half an inch or an inch? You guys let me know what you think. But I feel like it's almost an inch. Feels like almost an inch, but I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's how much growth I've gotten in the past 2 weeks. So I will say that I feel like the rice water worked, but I'm gonna try put my hair in flat twist for another 2 weeks without doing the rice water, and then I'll compare and see if my hair grows at the same rate or not. I guess that makes sense, right? To make it a fair test, because I haven't actually try to see how much my hair grows in 2 weeks, like without the rice water treatment. So I'm going to do 2 weeks of no rice water treatment. I'm just going to put my hair in the same flat twist and come back 2 weeks later, and then I'll show you guys my results. I think that's fair, right? Give this video a thumbs up right down below if you guys have enjoyed watching it. If you're new to my channel and you have not seen me before this video, definitely subscribe. And if you're returning and you have not yet subscribed, I don't know, you've seen a couple of videos from me, why have you not subscribed? Yeah, so go right ahead and hit subscribe right down below. If you have any comments or any suggestions of hair content that you guys would like me to put out there, definitely leave me a comment right down below and I will get right to it. I'm obsessed with hair, so I will be more than happy to do that. But yeah, that is pretty much it from this video. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.